love the 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension classification, solid live axle, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2, trip odometer.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.